Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County and central California until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kerman, Oregon, 16 miles southwest of Fresno, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fresno, Kerman, Raisin City, Easton, and Brothers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.